Hello students, good morning everybody. Okay, today we have some problem related with the dividends. So let's go to solve the given problem. Okay, let's see here. The first problem, Mr. Tharu bought 1000 shares out of 50,000 shares. Understood? It means there was how many share? 50,000. Yes. So out of 50,000, Mr. Tharu bought 1,000 shares. Understood? At RS 200 per share. It means price of one share equal to, or price of a share is 200. From a finance company, if the company earned a net profit of RS 1 crore 50 lakh. Understood? Are you clear? The company earned a net profit. The company earned the profit of RS 1 crore 50 lakh, and it decided to distribute 15% dividend to its shareholders. How much money did Mr. Tharu receive? Are you clear? It means what? Now we have to find the dividend amount which is received by Mr. Tharu. Understood? We have to find dividend amount of the Mr. Tharu. So first of all, we have to find total dividend amount. That means 15% of net profit. So first of all, write here the given information. So what are the given here? Okay, right. Mr. Tharu bought 1,000 share out of 50,000 shares. So total number of the shares equal to how many? 50,000. Yes. The total share equal to the total number of share of the company. Are you clear? The total share of the company here 50,000. Out of 50,000, Mr. Tharu bought 1,000 share. So a number of share of the Mr. Tharu. Okay. The number of shares of Mr. Tharu equal to 1,000. Understood? The number of share of the Mr. Tharu equal to 1,000. Okay, now from a finance company, if the company earned a net profit of RS 1 crore 50 lakhs, so here net profit of the company, the net profit of the company understood? The net profit of the company equal to here RS 1 crore 50 lakh. Understood? It is the profit amount of the company 1 crore 50 lakh. Now the company decided to distribute 15% dividend of the net profit to its shareholders. Understood? So dividend percent here, dividend percent, 15%. Understood? Dividend percent equal to 15%. Now we can find what? Dividend amount easily. Therefore, the dividend amount equal to 15% of 1 crore 50 lakh. Understood? Now 15% of 1 crore 50 lakh we get RS how much? 15 upon 100 into 1 crore 50 lakh. Understood? Now 0 cancel, then 15 into 15, 225, then you should write 1 2 3 4 0. Okay, how much dividend amount? The dividend amount equal to 15% of net profit of the company, that is 1 crore 50 lakhs. Then we get 22 lakh 50,000. 22 lakh 50,000 is the dividend amount for the 50,000 share. Understood? It is the total dividend amount for the 50,000 shares. Understood? But we have to find dividend amount for what? Mr. Tharu, so first of all we should find what? The dividend amount of 1 share. Understood? So we can write now how many? Yes, 50,000 share equal to this much dividend amount. Then we get what? The dividend amount of a share. Okay. Now the dividend amount of, understood? Now the dividend amount of 50,000 share, yes, 50,000 shares equal to RS 22 lakh 50,000. Understood? Therefore, the dividend amount of a share or 1 share, understood, equal to RS 22 lakh 50,000 divided 50,000. Understood? Then we get how much? Okay, 22 lakh 50,000 divided 50,000. Then we get RS 45. It means 45 is the dividend amount for 1 share or dividend amount of a share. Now we have to find dividend amount of 1,000 share. That is the dividend amount received by the Mr. Thar. Okay. Therefore, the dividend amount of how many shares? 1000 shares equal to RS 45 into 1000. 45 into 1000. Then we get RS 45,000. Understood? Which is the dividend amount of the Mr. Tharu, or dividend amount for the Mr. Tharu. Okay, let's see again. Mr. Tharu bought 1000 shares out of 50,000 shares at RS 20 per share from a finance company. If the company earned a net profit of RS 1 crore 50 lakh and it decided to distribute 15% dividend to its shareholders, how much money did Mr. Tharu receive? So Mr. Tharu received how much? 45,000. Okay, therefore, okay, Mr. Tharu, yes, Mr. Tharu received the dividend amount. The Mr. Tharu received RS how much? 40,000 as the dividend amount. Dividend amount. Understood? Are you clear? Mr. Tharu received RS 45,000 as the dividend amount. Clear? Okay. Now let's go to solve the next question or second question. A hydropower company sold 25,000 shares. Understood? Hydropower company sold 25,000 shares. The company earned a net profit of RS 75 lakh. You know, the company earned at net profit of RS 75 lakh in a year and distributed a certain percent of profit. Okay, here dividend percent is unknown. We don't know. A certain percent means. So the company distributed a certain percent of profit as dividend. If a shareholder who has about 500 shares in this company, a shareholder who has about 500 shares received RS 30,000 dividend amount. Then find what percent of profit was distributed as dividend. Okay, let's go. Okay, first of all, write here given information. Okay, now how many share? Total share here. A hydropower company sold 25,000 shares. Okay, the total shares of the company equal to how many? 25,000. Yes. Let's see. The hydropower company sold 25,000 shares. You know. So the total shares of the company equal to 25,000. The company earned a net profit of RS 75 lakh. Okay. The net profit of the company, the net profit of the company equal to How much? The net profit of the company has given 75 lakh. Yes, 75 lakh. 75 lakh in a year, and distributed a certain percent of profit as dividend if a shareholder who has bought 500 shares. Understood? Okay. The number of shares of a shareholder. Yes, the number of shares of a shareholder. Understood? And clear? The number of shares of a shareholder. How many? 500 shares. Yes, 500 shares. And received Arias 30,000 dividend. Okay, now the dividend amount. Now the dividend amount, 30,000. 30,000 is the dividend amount for 500 shares. Understood? How? Because 500 shares, because the number of a shareholder, the number of shares of a shareholder equal to how many? 500, who receive how many dividend amount? How much dividend amount? 30,000. That means what? The dividend amount for 500 shares. So dividend amount of here 500 shares. The dividend amount of 500 shares. Understood? The dividend amount of 500 shares equal to Arias 30,000. Understood? Therefore, the dividend amount of a share, it means one share of a share, equal to Arias 30,000 divide 500. The dividend amount of 500 share equal to 30,000. Then the dividend amount of a share equal to 30,000 divide 500. Okay. Then 30,000 divide 500. 30,000 divide 500. We get 60. Arias 60. Yes. Equal to Arias 60. It means what? The dividend amount of a share, one share equal to 60. But how many shares are there in the company? The total number of shares in the company was 25,000. So first of all, we have to find dividend amount for 25,000 shares. Understood? Okay. Therefore, the dividend amount of how many shares? 25,000 shares. The dividend amount of 25,000 shares equal to 25,000 into 60 equal to Arias 25,000 into 60. We get 15 lakh. Dividend amount is 50 lakh. Oh, sorry, 15 lakh. Understood? Yes, 15 lakh only. 15 lakh is the dividend amount of the company. Understood? Okay, now we have dividend amount and we have also net profit. Then we can find dividend percent. You know, dividend depend on the net profit. So dividend upon net profit into 100%, you know. Okay, therefore dividend percent, yes, dividend percent equal to dividend upon net profit into 100%. So how much dividend? Here 15 lakh, yes, 15 lakh upon how much net profit? 75 lakh. 75 lakh, you know, 15 lakh is the dividend amount and 75 lakh is the net profit into 100%. Now, okay, 50, yes, 0, 0 cancel. Now 1500 divide 75, divide 75, we get 20%, yes, 20%. Understood? So 20% is the dividend percent. Okay, find what percent of the profit was distributed as dividend. So we can say 20% of profit was distributed. Therefore, 20% of the net profit. Understood? 20% of the net profit was distributed as the dividend. Yes, dividend. Understood? Are you clear? 20% of the net profit was distributed as the dividend. Have you any doubt? Okay, I think you have no doubts. So let's go to solve the next question. Okay, now Mr. Limbu bought 1000 shares. Understood? Mr. Limbu bought 1000 shares out of 40,000 shares. Understood? Mr. Limbu bought 1000 shares out of 40,000 shares. It means there are 40,000 shares in the bank. Okay. When the bank distributed 20% of its net profit. Understood? The bank distributed 20% of its net profit. He received alias 1 lakh as his dividend. 1 lakh as his dividend. You know, he received alias 1 lakh as dividend according to his shares in a year. So calculate the net profit of the bank. It means we have to find net profit of the bank. Okay, here given. Okay, right. First of all, given information. So here total number of shares. Yes, the total shares of the bank. Total shares, the total shares of the bank equal to 40,000. 40,000. Understood? Now dividend percent also given. Okay. Here, yes, dividend amount. The dividend amount, the dividend amount of Limbo. Yes, the dividend amount of Mr. Limbo. Mr. Limbo. How much? The dividend amount of Mr. Limbo equal to Rs 1 lakh. 1 lakh is the dividend amount for Mr. Limbo. That given. When the bank distribute 20% of its net profit, he received Rs 1 lakh. It means the dividend amount of Mr. Limbo Rs 1 lakh. Now the number of share, the number of shares of Mr. Limbo. Mr. Limbo. How many shares? The number of shares of Mr. Limbo equal to how many? 1,000. Yes, 1,000 share only. It means what? It means the dividend amount of 1,000 share equal to 1 lakh. How? Because total number of share of Mr. Limbo is only 1,000 and he received 1 lakh. Understood? Are you clear? That means the dividend amount of 1,000 share equal to 1 lakh. Understood? Therefore, the dividend amount. Understood? The dividend amount of how many shares? 1,000 shares. The dividend amount of 1,000 shares equal to Rs 1 lakh. Understood? Therefore, the dividend amount of a share. First of all, we have to find the dividend amount of a share. So the dividend amount of a share equal to 1 lakh divided 1,000. Then we get the dividend amount of a share equal to Rs how much? 30 cancel, then Rs 100. Understood? So it means the dividend amount for a share Rs 100. Now we have to find the dividend amount of total share. So how many shares are there in the bank? There are 40,000 shares in the bank. Okay. So therefore, the dividend amount of the bank, or dividend amount of the 40,000 share, the dividend amount of the dividend amount of 40,000 shares equal to how much? The dividend amount of 40,000 shares equal to 100 into 40,000. Yes. Then we get 40. Okay. Now 40, then you should write again 20. Okay, now how much? Yes, 40 lakh, So the dividend amount of 40,000 share equal to 40 lakh. It means the dividend amount, or there was total dividend amount 40,000 in the bank, or which is the 20% of total profit or net profit. Now we have the dividend amount or total dividend amount. How much? 40 lakh. Yes. And we have also 20% dividend. Yes. Okay. Here dividend percent is also given 20%. Now we can find easily net profit. Net profit, dividend percent depend on the net profit. So here dividend percent and dividend amount both are given, so we can find easily. Okay, you should let what profit, net profit be X, or you can find net profit equal to dividend amount divide dividend percent also. Okay, so now the net profit of the bank equal to, understood? The net profit of the bank equal to dividend amount, 40 lakh. Yes, dividend amount is 40 lakh divided 20%, understood? Now 40 lakh divided 20 upon 100, then we get 0, 0 cancel. Now 40, yes. So 2 that. Then here how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 3, 6. Then RS 2. Now 7 0, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. How much net profit of the bank? 2 crore, The net profit of the bank was 2 crore. Are you clear? Okay. Calculate the net profit of the bank. Understood? Now we can write the net profit. Yes, the net profit of the bank equal to, or bank is, okay, calculate the net profit of the bank. Yes, so was the net profit of the bank was RS, how much? 2 crore, yes. Crore this much. Understood? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Are you clear? 2 crore is the net profit of the bank. Okay. Have you any doubt? I think you can solve any problem related with the dividend. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you. Bye bye.